So hi. So from now on, we will be concentrating on the candlesticks. So this will be sort of a practical sessions happening. So what I would request you is like whatever candlestick pattern I'm teaching you for today, just practice it once the session is over, and then when the next session starts, try to show me some examples of whether you were able to see the patterns and what has happened with that pattern. You have to explain me with that. So this will be our flow from now onwards. So now these are the certain candlesticks which we will be covering. Like this is bearish, means which is going to be for the downside. Downside in the sense the market. One sec. So for example, yeah. For example, what happens is like market will be moving like this. Clear. So this is an uptrend, which means bulls are entering, which means green color candles will be forming. And then what will happen is like once after a certain candle has been formed, one sec. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry. So what you need, what does it mean by bearish reversal candles means? This is a proper bullish movement, and at a certain point what will happen is like a certain candlestick will be forming, and from there the market will start to reverse. Okay, so what is that, how does it reverse, and all those things I will tell you in later part. But for now, understand that whenever a bearish, these are the bearish candlestick patterns. Whenever these sort of candlesticks are forming, that means market can turn to downside. It will start to fall. And this is for the opposite. Whenever market is moving down and these sort of candles are forming, then that means the market will reverse to upside. So for now, just assume like if these candles are coming, it is going to turn the market to an opposite direction. Assume like. Yeah. Now the first and foremost candle, what you need to learn is, forget about this. You have to learn what is called as a Marubozu candle. Clear? So a Marubozu candle means it does not have a wick. What does a wick mean? Wick means if you can see this black line, right? After the green body, a black line goes, right? A sort of a tail.
Mm-hmm.
You could see that?
Yes, I can.
So if suppose a candle is not having any of the black lines, then that candle is called as a Marubozu candle. Marubozu candle means, I'll draw and show it. So it can be in a red candle or a green candle, that doesn't matter. So this is the, one sec. So this is the candle. So this candle does not have a top wick or bottom wick. So this candle is called as a Marubozu candle. So what does a Marubozu candle means? So if you see this particular picture, assume this is a solid bar and it has been filled with green color. Okay. So what does a green candle means? Green candle means price is moving up. That means bullish people are inside the candle. So this entire candle from this point, entire people are at the buyer's direction. That means the price is moving up. So in this case, what happens is like this candle represents that the candle is very strong for bullish movement. And in the case of a red candle, where in the case of red candle where there is no wick form, so here what does that mean is like from here, this is the open, from here there is people who are very bearish, they want to push the price downwards, and this candle has closed very perfectly. That means this candle represents that the bearish people are very stronger. So now it is hard to find a bearish Marubozu candle in a normal chart. So what I have done is like, I have written a screener for that. So this is a screener for that. So based on the particular day or based on the weekly or monthly, I have written a screener, and based on the screener, these are the stocks are there which tells it is having a Marubozu candle. For example, let me take Dish TV. So Dish TV, and if you see the time frame is weekly, so you need to shift to weekly. Okay. So see this candle. Okay, see this candle, green candle, it does not have a tail. Am I right? It does not have a wick. Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
So if you want to know whether it is having a minute wick or not, what you need to do is like, you need to see over here. Here this O is mean open, high, low, and close. So if it is a Marubozu candle, green color candle, so what does it mean by is, this is the open place and this is the close place. That means open and close are both same. And open and low are both same. And here if you see, the close and the high are both same. So in a Marubozu candle, if for a bullish signal, the open and low will be same and the close and high will be same. So that is what is called as a Marubozu candle. So if you see, just watch, when I will be placing the cursor on a particular candle, just watch the open, high, low, close, so that you will understand whether it is a Marubozu candle or not. So if you see over here, I just place I have just placed a cursor over the candle, and see the open and low are same. Open is 5.55 and the low is 5.55. At the same time, the close and high are same, 6.65 and 6.65. That means this candle is called as a Marubozu candle, where the open, low, and close and high are both same. So this shows that this particular stock is very bullish. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is a sort of a screener which I have written for the Marubozu green side candle. If you want to write it for red Marubozu candle, then you need to change accordingly. For example, I'm going to draw a red candle, which is going to be a Marubozu candle. So this is the Marubozu candle. So what happens here is, so this is the open. So here, this open and close, sorry, this open and high, this is the high. So this open and high are both same, will be having same value. And this is the close reason. So this close and the low will be same. For a green Marubozu candle, for a green bullish candle, the open and low will be same and the close and high will be same. For a red Marubozu candle, the open and high will be same and the close and the low will be same. So you need to relate based on that. And this particular website is called as charting.com. Here you can go and write any screeners of whatever strategy you have. So I have written for all the Marubozu candle for green side. So if you want, you can write for red Marubozu also, and you can go for it. But what I would suggest is like, these Marubozu candles does not happen majorly on F&O stocks. F&O stocks are called as future and option stocks. Mostly it will not happen. It happens on non-F&O stocks. So there will be a question like, what is F&O stocks? What is non-F&O stocks? I will tell all those things in a bit later stage. But I will just give you a hint. What is the basic difference between F&O and non-F&O is like, F&O stocks does not have a circuit limit. Circuit limit means the particular stock can move to 10%, 20%, 30% in a day. But a non-F&O stock, it has a circuit limit. It can be 5% circuit limit. It can be 10% circuit limit. If you see over here, These all are in 5% circuit limit, and that is why we were able to get a Marubozu candle. So Marubozu candles majorly occur on non-F&O stocks. So try to avoid Marubozu candle, but Marubozu candle is the basics of all candle. So you need to know what does a strong body means. So now I do that. This is a strong body. This is a strong body. This is a strong body. This is a strong body, because it does not have any intermediate peoples. For example, the buyers from here till here are same. The sellers from here till here are same. So suppose if there is a wick, that means this place has been occupied by buyers. So that is why I say these candles completely have one-sided players, like bullish and bearish people are inside it. That I say Marubozu candles are very strong candles. So are you clear with Marubozu candles?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So